chocolate mint. Let's do it. Got chocolate and mint together. I'm looking at one picture of Tears for Fears. I was listening to a video called Shout. Tears for Fears have had interesting answers, of course. It was very interesting. It was very interesting because they did. Back in the days, those being nostalgic moments does it. Yeah. But then they got older and he did. I'm getting tired, but I'm still worried about Cooper Tripod. I wonder what she's doing. I hadn't talked to her since Saturday. I'll go back down to sleep after streaming.